It is a new month and a new monthly essential oil recipe box. Hello, I am Katie from the craftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is the monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth, and it is March, and I am so excited to see what is inside. But before we open it up, I want to tell you just a little bit about this box. It is a subscription, and you can cancel at any time. The cost is $44.99 a month, and inside you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Along with your monthly essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now, this is part of the subscription. There is no additional fee for this, and it comes with your first box and every 6 months after. So let's see what's inside. Now, in the months when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly essential oil recipe box will be tucked inside just like this. And then the other 5 months, your recipe box is in its own box. Inside our big bonus box, we have beeswax, 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. And we have coconut oil. Now, this is the cold pressed, so it's thick, more of a solid, becomes a liquid when heat is applied. I kind of like to think of it as shortening. Same kind of texture. For carrier oils, we have fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid oil, and almond oil. And then 6 amber glass roll-on bottles, because every month you get a roll-on recipe. And 6 amber glass dropper bottles, because every month you get a diffuser recipe. So they really do make sure that you have most of everything that you need. Anything else you will need is usually stuff that you'll already have at home. And I am so excited because Simply Earth has given me a coupon just for you. So if you go to Simply Earth and enter in the code TheCraftyFree, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. So remember, the kit is $45. So that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you could use that $45 gift card to purchase other supplies in their shop. And that is such a great deal. And one last thing I want to mention about Simply Earth is 13% of their profits go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription box, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, let's cut open our box and see what is inside our March Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. Ooh, it's always so exciting. All right, let's start with the oils. Like I said, these are all full-size oils. We have copaiba, and of course we have to smell them. It's a very faint scent. And it's kind of hard to describe. It's just kind of calming and kind of smells outdoorsy. And you really should get this subscription yourself because I am horrible at explaining what they smell like. Geranium. Ooh, it's a sweet scent. It is a little bit floral, but it's more sweet. And every month you get at least one essential oil blend. So this month we have Clear Skin. That's really good. It's kind of eucalyptus-y, kind of pepperminty. Smells like you just walked into a spa. And lemon. Yep, that's lemon. I love lemon. Okay, let's take a look at our extra goodies. Ooh, we have one of these little face sculptors. I'm not quite sure what they're called, but you know, you can drain your sinuses and lymph nodes. I don't even know what they're called, but it's for the face. We have emulsifying wax, and we have a face serum base. For our recipe cards, we have Fresh Flowers Face Serum, Melt Away Cleansing Balm, Clear Skin Roll-On, New Horizons Diffuser Blend, Makeup Priming Butter, ooh, and Luxurious Face Cream. Those all sound so amazing. Then we have our matching stickers, and I love that they provide these so that everything can match, especially with the roll-on bottle and the diffuser recipe. So they match the other essential oil bottles, and I love that. Plus they have the top of the bottle stickers, so if you keep all of your oils in some type of box or container, you don't have to lift each one out to see what it is. You can just identify it by that top of the bottle sticker. And last but not least is a little information sheet. Now you will not get this. I get this because I am an ambassador for Simply Earth, but I will totally go over it with you. March's theme is face care, just in case you didn't catch on with all of those recipes. And let's see what this is called. It's called a gua sha. Huh, interesting. I never would have thought that that was the name for it. But my very favorite part of this paper is here on the back where it says the talking points, and the value of the box is $198.91, and you get everything for only $44.99. Isn't that such a great deal? Especially with that coupon code, the Crafty Free, where you also get a $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That is such an amazing deal. Go to simplyearth.com and sign up for their monthly essential oil recipe box and use that code, the Crafty Free. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.